directly if you want. Now let's jump into the contract. I have a simple guide for the contract, but you can also follow my video. First, we need to copy paste the source code and paste it on Remix. When you go to Remix, please make sure that you are on HTTP instead of HTTPS, because that way you can avoid errors. We go to contracts and create a new contract. Now we paste the code. Now we have to search for SHIB and Shiba Inu and change it to our desired token name and symbol. And we also have to change the wallet addresses in the source code. This contract comes with tons of fee options and it's really good for pre-sales. By default I set 0% fees in the source code, so you need to change that if you want any fees. With this contract only the owner and the whitelisted wallets can sell. Now we go to the compiler menu, select the correct compiler version, enable optimization and hit compile. Once it's done, we can go to the deploy menu, select injected web3, and it's fucked. We need to refresh the page. Sometimes it's buggy. And thank God now it's connected, so we can deploy the contract. But first I need to compile the code again because it's gone. So I will go back to the compiler menu and hit compile. Then we can go to the deploy menu and we select the correct contract, which is SHIB, and we can hit deploy. Once it's done, we need to transfer some tokens into other wallets before adding liquidity. We can use the CoinTool app, or we can just simply transfer some tokens using MetaMask. But in this video I will skip the token transfer step because it's really easy to do. Instead I will show you how to control the contract. Here is our contract address, and here we can control the contract. Here are the functions that you can call and change. Trading is open by default, so once you have the liquidity, everyone can buy. With the add whitelist function, you can allow wallets to sell. Now we need to copy the contract address and we can go to PancakeSwap and add the liquidity. Always make sure that you're on pancakeswap.finance because there are many phishing sites. Connect your MetaMask wallet, select BNB, paste the contract address, and set the desired LP amount. I recommend to add minimum 1 BNB into the LP to avoid the price impact too high message. In this example, I will add 1% of the total supply into the LP, and I will keep 99% for the developer wallet. This way we can move around that 99% of the total supply into other wallets after adding liquidity. And now we need to hit supply. We need to confirm. And now our token is live. People can trade. We need to import our token address into MetaMask. And as you can see, it's live on Poocoin. It works, the trade button is working. And the contract is clean on Honeypot checkers. And now we can test trading with the buy wallet. We can buy on Poocoin, but we won't be able to sell. Only with the developer wallet and only with the whitelisted wallets. The reason why I didn't include hidden mint for this contract is simply to stay as clean as possible. It's really hard to trick smarter investors and people who know how to read contracts, and of course sniper bots. But with the source code it's impossible to tell that it's a scam. As I said, with this contract you need to move around the supply to be able to rock the liquidity, or just simply lock the LP for a short period of time. And now we need to approve the token, and we can try to swap it back. And it says transfer from failed, so it's working. And now I will show you that you can sell with the developer wallet. and it went through. Now I will add the buy wallet to the whitelist, and I will show you that after that we will be able to sell.
This is Phase Ed Music.
And once we hit swap, it will work now. And once we are happy with the profits, we can remove the liquidity or we can sell our tokens. To remove the liquidity, we need to go back to PancakeSwap and hit the remove liquidity button. Let me show you a verified version of the contract on Token Sniffer and other checker sites. You can see that it's clean, and if you renounce ownership, everything will be checked. This code is even clean on Monarch. It's the most advanced checker at the moment. It's even clean on Staysafu, but as I said, the ownership is not renounced.